Okay, traders, let's continue also with the my automated strategies on in the bot portfolio. So again, here this demo account, which we were running for a while. You see we had a beautiful, nice up move in the account curve, then a drawdown, and then a move back upwards. So let's go through this. You see this is fully automated, so it's not with manual intervention. Okay, these other strategies I've talked about before, which are running on low risk parameters. So you can see the overall number of trades is lower compared to the manual approach, of course, because the bots cannot do what a human brain can do. But there's stability. The the win-loss ratio is exactly 60%, so slightly lower than the manual approach. The net profit compared to the maximum drawdown is still very good. It's double, but as you can see, the manual numbers are better. Net profit is 5 times higher than the maximum drawdown. Here on the automated strategies, the total net profit is twice as high as the maximum drawdown. Still good, but of course the manual approach because it has more trades outperforms that. But then again, it requires a lot of work from my side, being at the screens, sometimes day and night, okay, and doing what I do, as compared to just having the automated bots running here. Yeah. Still, I'm happy with what I see here. Very good. Also, interestingly, similar to the manual strategies, there was a bit of a drawdown here before it went up again. So you see, funny enough, there is a bit of correlation between the difficult periods, both in the manual and auto approaches, which is not surprising. If markets are a little bit more like erratic, let's say there are FOMCs, fishing bars, and all these kind of things, of course, that is something which has to be managed both by the manual and the automated trader. That's a fact. So yeah, as you can see, I finally beat the automated portfolio, even though I also used very low risk parameters on the manual account. And it was predicted that over time this will happen. But as you can see, overall, still this is very, very good in terms of numbers. Largest profit 21,623, largest loss 8,581. The average profit trade, as you can see, is slightly lower than average loss trade at the moment. Of course, these values can improve again, but it's just slightly lower. Again, on the manual account, I achieved better values, as you know. And also you see like the number of winners was very high in terms of consecutive winners on the manual account, which is lower here. But again, the number of trades is significantly lower. So with so many less trades to still have very good values is very good. Very happy with that. So this will always be something I will be doing no matter in which way. And as you know, I'm always constantly also doing research, developing new strategies and all these things. So this is just the 6 main strategies, okay, on a few pairs. So that's not a lot of bots. You can imagine if I manage to test and create more strategies within the next years, and they are also very stable, and I add them, I may be able to increase the trade frequency and also all the numbers. That's a process I'm still in, which I will always be doing. With the objective to maybe one day have, let's say, 30 bots. But I'm not there yet. This is the work of the last few years, but I'm happy with that result. And now I can improve all of that by investing time, money, energy into additional bots, additional strategies in the next years, so that this also becomes a little bit more dynamic. But remember, stability is key in this game. No matter whether you manually trade or whether you trade via bots, stability is key. All right. Whether you want to trade other people's money or start a fund or do prop trading or trade your own money or get institutional investors, whatever it is, whatever path you choose in your trading journey. The truth is, like, it is all about stability. Let me say that as someone with experience. Okay, it's about not having a big drawdown or a big crash, or that's a problem with all these strategies which either do not use stops or use martingale or grid or pyramiding or only equity stop as well. Yeah, they can always have a losing basket and then a big drop in the equity curve. And then what happens if there's not only one, but if there are two drops, then you will be down here. So you see, like, the trick is not only to achieve return, it's also at a minimum risk. And here every trade has a balance stop, as you know. The position sizing depends on the respective setup. So this took me many years, as you know, but it's all achievable. And as you can see, if I continue working on all that, I just get better and better every year. And at some point I will be in a position also to do bigger things with these kind of numbers. Anyways, I hope you like it.